Okay, today we're going to do lesson 108. And so you are going to need your lesson worksheet. It'll look like this, and it just is a bunch of story problems. And so you'll make sure it doesn't say that class fact practice, or not fact practice, class guided practice, that it is the lesson worksheet. Okay, and so our objective, there we go, today is that we will learn how to write number sentence for division story problems. And so we're going to go through these and we're going to really think about what are the questions asking us, what do we need to answer in, and then we're going to be writing our number sentence and our answers. So you guys are so good at already underlining and bracketing in here, so I know you guys are going to do fantastic in this lesson. All right, let's start with number 1. There are 18 cupcakes. If each child will have 2 cupcakes, how many children can have cupcakes? So first I want to underline that question that I need to answer. How many children can have cupcakes? And what am I answering in? It wants to know how many children. My answer needs to be in children, not in cupcakes. It's going to be in children. So now I'm going to bracket important information. It's important that there are 18 cupcakes, and it's important that each child will have 2 cupcakes. So what is this going to look like? Well, I have 18, and I'm going to divide that into 2 and see how many children that equals. Okay, so 18 divided by 2, what would that be? Think about your doubles. That would be 9. 9 what? 9 children. So our answer here is 9 children. And if we go back here and look at what we circled children. So that's what we want to make sure that we are answering in. That's why it's really important to circle that word. Okay, let's go on to number 2. There are 35 children. Mr. Belushi wants to put 5 children in each group. How many groups of children will he have? So first I'm going to underline my question. How many groups of children will he have? What word should I circle in there? What am I answering in? Groups. I'm answering in groups. So now I'm going to look at important information. It's important to know that there are 35 children, and that there will be 5 children in each group. So my starting number is 35. I'm going to divide that into how many? I'm going to divide that into 5. And so what would 35 divided by 5 be? That would be 7. And what am I answering in? Groups. That's what we circled. So I'm answering in groups. So 7 groups would be possible for Mr. Belushi. Okay. Number 3. 5 children will share 20 stickers. How many stickers will each child get? So we underline our question. What word am I going to circle here? Stickers. So my answer will be in stickers. And now I need to bracket. 5 children. And we'll share 20 stickers. Now for this problem, do I want to divide 5 by 20? No, just because that's the first number that we have in our story problem, that's not going to be what we're dividing. We have 20, and the good indicator here is you're going to look for that bigger number, okay? So 20 can be divided by 5. But if we divide 5 by 20, then that's going to look like we have 5 stickers to share with 20 students. That's not going to be a whole number. So because we're working with whole numbers right now, we're going to go for that bigger number, 20 stickers, and we're going to divide that by between 5 children. Okay, so 20 divided by 5, what does that equal? That equals 4. What am I answering in? Stickers. So everyone, what is my answer? 4 stickers. Okay. We're going to jump down to number 4, and you'll see here it says use the chart at the right for problem 4 and 5. Mrs. Brown wants to make groups of 4 children. How many groups can she make? So I'm going to underline my question. How many groups can she make? What am I going to answer in? Everyone say it out loud. Groups. Circle it now on your paper. Okay, so it doesn't give me a number, but it does give me a name. So I'm going to associate that with Mrs. Brown right here. Do I now have a number to use? I do. What's my number? 24. It says she has 24 students. So I have 24 students, and she wants to make groups of 4 children. I forgot to break that part up. My bad. Okay, so I'm going to divide 24 divided by 4. Okay. What would that be? That would be 6. And what am I answering in? I'm answering in groups. So my answer, everyone, is, let me hear you, 6 groups. Okay. Now, I want you to complete 5 and 6 on your own. I would like you to send these to me, take a picture of them and send them to me in whatever outlet you feel is easiest for you. So please complete 5 and 6 on your own and send me a picture.